I want you to pay close attention to, like Pastor was saying, forked tongue, like tricky. So watch this though.
Deuteronomy 7:7, important verse to remember. The Lord did not set nor choose you because you were more in number than any other people, for you were the least of all peoples. Do you see this on the screen? Remind people that think they're Israelites of this, regardless of if they're Semitic or not. We are monergistic over here. I'm Reformed. I got Calvinistic soteriology. I believe all Christians could have something.
Do you know how to read and interpret? That's the question. I got this. I'm modern synergistic and this, that, and can't even understand basic book. We're gonna go one verse above what he just read, and it says, "For thou art a holy people unto the Lord thy God. The Lord thy God hath chosen thee to be a special people unto himself, above all people that are upon the face of the earth." That's the book talking. That's one verse above what he just read. And let me show you something else he did. This is why we shouldn't even waste our time with this clown shoe. He's not even a clown. He's the shoe on the clown. All right, look. The Lord did not set his love upon you, nor choose you, because ye were more in number than any people, for ye were the fewest of all people. And you see the way he was like, see, y'all weren't nothing. You were less than everybody. And he was trying to act like, yeah, you were nothing. You know, he was trying to drill that when it's literally just talking about the size of the population. This dude is super shiesty with sugar on top. Y'all